Okay, this is a Cabbage Patch Kids clothing unboxing. I got this bag full at an estate sale and I am drawing a blank on what I... Hey, Bolo buddies, thanks for watching. Full-time reseller. All right, let's get started. Paid for it. I can't remember if I left the paper inside. I don't know, but let's just go through it. I want to say it was like $28 and then it was half off day, so $14 maybe. The first thing is this diaper. It's a Cabbage Patch diaper, I do believe. Some of these shoes were in a different lot that I got from the same sale. It was in with the Build-A-Bear stuff. So you're gonna see here that it is, I don't have all the shoes, but I think I can sell them as replacements maybe. This obviously is a pair, so I'll probably sell those separately. I hope to get these items listed in my eBay store pretty quickly. This is a Cabbage Patch blanket. I don't know, it's got, looks like maybe a few hairs, maybe they had a dog or something. But I'm guessing this is just like a handmade thing, and they put the satin Cabbage Patch border on it, but super, super cute. I may just throw that in the wash. It's a little dirty. Yeah, I'm gonna throw that in the wash, get some of that hair off of it. But that's really cute. Again, I think that's probably for a child, but I guess you could use it for a doll. This blanket also was included in this lot, and I'll throw that in the wash with it. Yeah, some dog hair. This is actually a receiving blanket, made in the USA, so definitely vintage, super cute. So I will sell that as a Cabbage Patch vintage receiving blanket. It looks like it says 1983 there. Okay, so let's get to the Cabbage Patch clothing. The first item here is this Cabbage Patch Kids. It's marked on the foot. If you guys know anything about these items, let me know. I'm definitely gonna do my research, but it's always nice to hear feedback in the comments. Okay, this looks like it's got the tag, which is dated 1984. It does say preemies. So this is for, I'm guessing, a smaller Cabbage Patch, and I'm gonna definitely get a lint brush and kind of go over it. But it's also marked right here on the arm. But super cute. It's like, is it a bunny? I think it's a bunny. Or is it a sheep? Maybe it's a sheep. I don't know, what is it? I thought it was a bunny, but I think now it's a sheep. So I will definitely look that up. It is super cute. Okay, we've got a little bear. Yeah, I think that's definitely a sheep because this is a bear and this is a bear. This also looks like it's probably the preemie collection. So should be pretty easy to look that one up as well. But these look to be in like really good, like this is in great condition. Just take a lint brush to it. Now, what do we have here? This one, it's got the little bloomer underneath, and it looks like it's got the little hair accessories. Now, this one does not appear to be marked. So, anybody know, is this just like a handmade deal, or does anybody recognize it? It's super cute. Oh, this is the front. Okay, I had it backwards. And then, yep, no tag on that. That might be handmade, but if it is handmade, it is well made. I think most Cabbage Patch stuff is marked. Okay, this is Darling as well. Super cute. I think I'm probably gonna list these things individually, but I don't know. I still have to research. Again, this one is not tagged. So maybe somebody made this, but it is so, so cute and really well made. All right. Gretchen Lynn. This little shirt belongs to Gretchen Lynn. And it's from 1985. Suggested adoption fee. So I don't know. It says cotton candy styled by, Catton candy. Styled by Catton Brothers, made in the Philippines. Definitely vintage. So that's original. I should be able to look that one up. This one says Cabbage Patch Kids Designer Collection. Is it Xavier Roberts? I can't remember. But this is also 1985. This cute little yellow dress here. Cabbage Patch original outfit. This looks like another preemie size. It's got it on the arm here. I'm guessing there's probably a tag down in here. Maybe not, I don't know. Maybe it's just the tag on the arm. I was trying to feel around, but I'm holding the phone with one hand. I should get my tripod, but I was just doing a real quick video. I wasn't planning on doing this. Okay, this is Darling. Cabbage Patch Kids, again, designer collection by Xavier Roberts. And it's got this patch here, 10 years, Cabbage Patch Kids. It's a little shirt. Special delivery, Selena Jewel, Hobby City's official adoption center. So it's just a Cabbage Patch, maybe adoption pin. This might go with that yellow outfit up there. Yeah, made in the Philippines. So that goes with that little outfit right there. We have a hat. It's not marked anywhere, but it was in with the Cabbage Patch bag. Now, we have a swimsuit. This, I don't think is Cabbage Patch, but maybe they put it on a Cabbage Patch. It says made in the USA, and it says union made. I think that says 18 months. Maybe 16 months. I've never seen a 16 months, but made it, yeah. You guys, this does not look union made that old to me. Let me know in the comments what you think. I mean, that looks like a sewing machine did it. Do you think somebody just sewed in this tag? It's really random, right? Yep. And it's, I don't know, that's odd. Let me know what you guys think. This says another Cabbage Patch Kids designed by Xavier Roberts, Tiger's Eye. And I was like, is this a kid's t-shirt? And I messaged a friend who does Cabbage Patch stuff, and she thought it went to the bigger Cabbage Patch Kids. I can't remember what she called them, but I think if you look up Tiger's Eye, but I'm looking here and I can kind of see some discoloration, maybe a little. Or maybe it's my light playing tricks on my eyes, because it feels and looks brand new other than that couple spots right there. It might, yeah, right there. You see it? Right there. Bloomer. This one says 0 to 3 months. So this is probably for a kid. This is a little Tiger's Eye edition skirt. And it's got the Xavier Roberts there. And that, oh, Here's the little bloomer and hair bows. These hair bows are darling. So those two with the bows, I think were handmade deals. The elastic doesn't seem to be elasticy. I don't think elasticy is a word, but we're gonna use it. Elasticy anymore. And of course, I'll sell the bag. So that is what I've got here. These shoes I'll just probably list as a replacement lot. But I think I had about $14 in all that. So I will be listing these items in my eBay store. I'm not really sure what to expect yet, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out the description of the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.